Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a book with ChatGPT, a whole book, and this is how you want to prompt it. So, when you tell ChatGPT to write a book, you want to give it the genre and the topic. Oh, of course you can talk with ChatGPT and get some topics going. So I've asked ChatGPT to give me a finance book on the power of compounding, give it a cool title, and generate an outline. This is the most important part. Generate an outline. You don't want to just let ChatGPT straight up make the whole book for you in one prompt. It is not going to work. You'll get a limited response. And here we go. We have a whole book outline chapter by chapter. Of course, you can go ahead and edit this if you want. You can go back and forth with ChatGPT and make changes. But what I'm going to show you is very important and how this will help you to write the whole book. And this is actually a very good title. I like that. The title is good. Now, this is what I want you to tell ChatGPT. All right, so here's my prompt. Start writing the book chapter by chapter. Start with the outline. So instead of writing the whole book at once, this will not give you a good response. You want to do it chapter by chapter, starting with the outline. And then I have given it some word criteria. So at least 3,000 words. So I don't want it to be too short, right? And then it's going to start with the first part and they will only move on when I tell them it's okay to do so. And I've added this part to add this to memory. So what tends to happen is when you keep going ahead with ChatGPT and keep prompting it, they tend to forget what you had told them before. So once this is added to the memory, as you can see, the memory has been updated. Now they will remember what I asked them to do. And as you can see right here, they went ahead and skipped the outline and went to the first chapter, right? This is a good first chapter. I like this. So I will tell them, you forgot the outline. Do that first. Actually, the introduction. Forgot the introduction, right? That's what they did, right? Yeah, the introduction was forgotten. So, okay, so do that first. Going to correct my spelling mistake. You have to go back and forth with ChatGPT, converse with it, okay? And here you go. There is the introduction, and then you tell it to do chapter 1. Now do chapter 1. And this is what you do. You keep doing this until you have your whole book. If you're not happy with the style, what you can do is you can go ahead and tell it to write in a specific author style, or you can feed it your writing style and it will understand what kind of writing style you have, and it will generate a whole book for you in that writing style. So I can come here and tell ChatGPT to write in the style of Dale Carnegie, right? So we'll do that. And now it has changed our writing style. This is much, much better. And as you can see, it is generating the whole book for us. And this is how, guys, you can use ChatGPT to write yourself a whole book.